So as you probably know, I use the iPhone 12 Pro and I think it's absolutely excellent. The cameras on these things, you got your wide angle lens, an ultra wide and a telelens. But the problem with the telelens and the ultra wide is that those lenses are not very good. They're not as sharp as the main camera lens. And so you can get these attachments, you can get like these really low quality brands that put out these lens attachments that you can put on your smartphone. But then there is also something like high quality lenses. And a couple of months ago, a company called Sandmarc, they actually sent me some lenses that you can attach on your smartphone. And recently I reached out to them and asked if we could do another collaboration, and they sent me another lens. This time, the anamorphic lens. Now, the anamorphic lens is really a lot of fun to use because you can use it to get really cool cinematic shots. And so today I'm going to show you how you can use the anamorphic lens to get really cool shots with your smartphone. Let's do it. Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Tom. This channel is all about cameras and lenses. So if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. All right, let's get started. So on my main channel, I've done a couple of videos talking about the Sandmarc lenses that you put on your smartphone. They're a lot of fun. It's like really high quality lenses, like they're kind of heavy. And when you put these things on your smartphone, you just get superior image quality. So today's video, I wanted to talk about the anamorphic lens mainly. So the anamorphic lens is something that you can just attach on your smartphone on your main camera, and boom, you get a very bulky thing standing out on your smartphone. But trust me, the image quality is just amazing. Now, anamorphic lenses have been used in Hollywood for many years. Basically, what you do is you stretch out the image and get a more like cinematic, epic look to your shots, and it can get really cool. But the problem is that most cameras and smartphones, they shoot in a very regular aspect ratio. So what you do is you put on this anamorphic lens and you have to use an app like Filmic Pro, and you can turn on the setting for anamorphic, and it will basically stretch out your image and you get those really nice cinematic images. And not only that, but you also get a nice flare to your shots. So if you want to get that cinematic look, now you can using an anamorphic lens. So when you buy this anamorphic lens, you get a couple of things in the box. So for example, you get this adapter, this clip-on thing, so you can put it on. And also there is a case that you can get, so you can easily just attach this lens to your smartphone. This case is high premium quality, and it also supports, like magnetic charging on the iPhone, so it's really cool. You also get a little nice pouch, and on top of that you also get this little case where you can put all of your gear. Now, the fun thing about this case though is that looking at the side of this thing, I was looking a little bit on my Sony ZV-1 and I was thinking maybe it would fit in here, and yes, darn it, it absolutely does. So if you get the anamorphic lens and you have this ZV-1 or another compact camera, you can probably use that case for your camera. Now, Sandmarc offers a lot of really cool products. If you go to their website, you can see that they have like a macro lens, they got the telelens, the wide angle lens, and a fisheye lens. And if you look at the prices, they can look kind of expensive, but let me reassure you that when it comes to lenses, you really do get what you pay for. So you can buy really cheap quality lenses that are made from like plastic, and trust me, they're just not good. You're gonna spend a lot of money buying the wrong lenses, and finally you're gonna pick something like this and be super pleased with the quality of these things. Sandmarc is really a brand that stands for quality. Now, I want to make it absolutely crystal clear that this video is not sponsored in any way. Sandmarc did not pay me to say anything. They just send me these lenses, but the opinions that I talk about using this, like as far as my experience is concerned, the words that are coming out of my mouth. Now, yes, Sandmarc did send me these lenses, but they did not pay me to say anything. I am basically sharing with you my real and honest experience using these lenses. Trust me, if these things did not give great image quality, I would not be sitting here recommending these products to you. I do, however, want to say thank you to Sandmarc for sending over these lenses, and keep them coming. I would love to make more videos like this one. I mean, we live in amazing times when you can use your smartphone that you keep in your pocket and get these really amazing cinematic shots. To me, that's just mind-blowing. For the rest of this video, you can see some shots that I've taken with the anamorphic lens. Okay, that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.